Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable allow repeated calls for a focus on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in settings, scroll down and tap on focus. Next, tap on a focus profile that you want to change. Then we scroll down to the bottom, at the top here, tap on people. Then in here, go down and tap on allow repeated calls. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now set that a second call from the same person within 3 minutes will not be silenced. So switch this on or off as necessary. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.